I got a bop for you. How to do it on long hair.
Guess it's time to say, baby, how you make me feel.
Hi everybody, bienvenue à tous et bem-vindo a todos and welcome back to my channel. So this is not really a tutorial as it is just me showing you guys how I managed to get my long-ish natural hair into a bob braid, and I ended up doing faux locks. So it was just really important to me to find a safe way to create this look without ending up burning my hair. So what I did was I just braided a quarter of the way down, and then as you can see, once I got to a place where I was happy with the distance, I then I took my hair out of the braid and then I continued braiding down, and then my actual hair is the hair that you can see hanging off. And then once I got to where I wanted the bob to end and I was happy with it, I created a knot at the end there and just to secure it. And I did this because I ended up doing faux locks and I have to burn the locks, and so I didn't want to burn my hair if I continued braiding with my hair within the braid all the way to the bottom. So what you see me doing here is I'm now measuring a happy distance to where I'm gonna secure my actual hair just to avoid burning it, either at the top or at the bottom. So I'm securing it in the middle, and I make one knot and then I wrap my hair around the actual braid, and then I make 2 more knots just to make sure that it's secure and it's not gonna get burnt. And then yeah, I was super happy with it, and I loved the style at the end. And then once you are done, you're gonna chop off the hanging off braids and voila. So this is me showing you how I achieved the look on the other side. And again, this is not a tutorial, so that's why it's a whole lot faster than a regular tutorial would be. But this is just to show you how I did on the other side, and also to let you know that I wanted to do it this way because obviously my hair at the back is, and like on the nape of my neck, is longer than where the bob ends. So I wanted to do it this way to avoid cutting off my hair as well. So this is the final look-ish before I turn them into full locks, and I love them so much. You couldn't tell me anything. Wits. Wow. Wits. Voici le final look with them as full locks.